Hey y'all, it's been a while since I posted a video and I wanted to give an update on what's going on in my life and what's going to be happening forward on this YouTube channel. There's been two major updates on my life. So, first thing, I moved from Pennsylvania now to California. I'm living in LA with my girlfriend. The second thing is, unfortunately, I've been running into some wrist issues. So, it's been pretty difficult for me to type for long periods of time. I only have a limited amount of time that I can type now and work on these projects, unfortunately, at least for a few months until my wrists heal up. This has really given me a chance to kind of take a step back and think way more before I take any actions. This is like very much for coding, for example, where I'm working on a project where I'll be showcasing soon, but while working on this project, I think I spent like close to 2 weeks first just watching videos on how to code in this language and how to create this for this type of application. And then I started coding. And even in those cases, I would be very messy in the style that I coded. And then I would go back, watch a bunch more videos, really try to learn and clean everything up the next time around. And this is kind of giving me this ability to type less and think more, almost in a sense. So I'll be showing that in just a bit. Before I do that, I do want to mention that, kind of give an update on my life. So I thought I would mention that I do plan on getting the new iPhone 15 Pro Max. I know it doesn't say it there, but I'm really excited about having USB-C here. I've been overdue for an upgrade for quite some time, so I'm pretty excited about this. The other thing is the Apple Watch came out too recently, but which one is this? Is this the ninth? Yeah, Series 9. And also the Ultra 2 came out. But with the wrist injuries that I've been having, I've kind of just avoided wearing watches in general. So I ended up selling my Ultra some time ago. But other than this, I've also wanted to kind of showcase this video that I came about while I was just sitting and watching YouTube videos because I couldn't really code or play games. So this video is like a PhD defense at MIT. I don't know, it's like a PhD thesis, I guess, and it's called Building Personal Software with Reactive Databases. I'm gonna go ahead and link this in the description, but there's some very cool stuff in here that I think kind of is inspiring me for my next project. For example, one of the things that happen are there's this application that is dynamic in the sense of, like, let's say you have a cooking recipe and you have a recipe that takes 2 cups of water and 1 egg. What you can do is then you can say that I want to make the serving size 2, and it would automatically go ahead and change the numbers to represent that new serving size. So now it would be 4 cups of water and 2 eggs and so on. And I'll just let you guys watch it to get a better understanding of what's going on here. But I think it's really cool stuff, very fascinating to me. And I think it's like kind of like the area that I also am very fascinated with, this UI, how users interact with software. This is definitely something that, with the time that I've been given recently, that I've gotten a chance to think a lot about, and this is definitely where I'm mostly interested in. So to kind of come back to like what I've been learning recently, I've started developing this. For now, it's just a dummy Node app that doesn't have anything special. Just been learning a lot about Swift UI because this is something I haven't really worked with. This is what I was watching numerous videos for before getting into. And I was able to come up with this very simple app where you just have a bunch of notes. You can click add, you can click type some stuff up, hey YouTube, and then click save, and it disappears in here. You can see my previous cut of this up here. Very simple app, and it stores all this information on the phone. Didn't take much coding. You can see just this is most of it. And really getting a chance to like dive into Swift UI, see what it offers. And I think most of my product now will be on this. I'm making my own productivity app that I'll be then continuing to use throughout my life to do and manage all my tasks, because I know there's a lot of talk about Notion, for instance, where you can do all these crazy things and it will be on the cloud and you can do all these manipulations of data, have tables, have different pages, pages within pages, and linking. But there's nothing more customizable than just making the productivity app from scratch. I have some ideas in my mind that I will be sharing as time goes on. So if you enjoy this type of content, please subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.